images designing. Student, this language is developed by Tim Berners-Lee. The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language. My dear student, in this language we use many more tags. The all tags in this language we write inside the rectangular bracket. Rectangular bracket is written in like this way, this kind of rectangular bracket will use in this HTML language. Suppose that we have to write one tag, HTML. This is open tag of HTML, and at last we have to close the same tag at the end of the program, like this, HTML. So this is the basic tag which we use in this HTML language. Is written in this way, like the HTML, then head, 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 then title, 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 then in the title, 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 then head, 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 then body part, BODY, body part will start from here, and after that BODY, body part will close here, and at last our HTML tag will close. Friend, my dear student, HTML will start at the top of the programming, and the same tag will close at the end of the programming. Means in HTML all tags will open, and at the end of the that part it will be closed by the forward slash. These are the forward slash are here. The basic structure is this: HTML tag will close here, and the same tag will close here, and then the head tag will start after just HTML. HTML will start here, and after just title tag will start. In this title we write the name of that same page. Suppose that we are making a page for cricket. We are making a web page where we have to show cricket information, any sport activity information. So suppose that I am making a page which are used in the export activity, related to export activity. So in this title tag we have to write sport, SPORT. This sport name will show you at the top of the page where the surfing will be appear, or at the top of the page, and after that title will close. And then the head part will also be closed, and after that the main part of the HTML body will start here. Whatever we have to write, whatever we have to tag, use whatever images, whatever you want to, you have to write all tag inside the body. All the things will mention inside the body. So we will discuss more tag and more examples with programming, with the help of programming. So let's we go slowly. This program, recently we have discussed about the basic structure of HTML. Up now we have to write your simple name, how to print your name in HTML page. So for printing your name, you have to write, you have to type your name in the body part. Simply Devendra Kumar, Devendra, Devendra Kumar. And now this program, now we have to save this program in the in our computer system. For saving, how to save our this program in our computer system? Friends, we have to go for save option. After that, we have to type the file name. Suppose that I want to save this file with by a name sport 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 sport. After typing this name, we have to use the extension of this file. The extension is .html. When we save this file by this name sport.html, then this code will run as a HTML, and this page will after saving this file, we have to open this file in a browser. Then it will show where you will get Devendra Kumar. Okay, and now we have to write, suppose that as a heading, suppose that we have to write this name as a heading. So my student, HTML will provide you 6 type of heading: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 heading. These are the six heading tag are used in HTML: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Each heading tag will start and end of the line, it will be closed. In the same way, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 also will be closed at the end of the line. What is the work? What will be the output of these heading? My dear student, the output of the H1 heading will be bigger, most bigger, and H2 heading will less bigger than H1. H3 heading will be less than H2. H4 will less than H3 and H5 will less than H4 and H6 will be the smallest heading of the this HTML programming. And now we will discuss in HTML how to use background, how to use background color. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, कभी कभी आपने देखा होगा कि जब भी हम कोई पेज ओपन करेंगे तो बाय डिफॉल्ट हमारे पास जो बैकग्राउंड का कलर आता है वो व्हाइट आता है। बैकग्राउंड का जो कलर आता है वो व्हाइट आता है। हाउ वी विल चेंज द बैकग्राउंड कलर? सो माय डियर student, we have to write for the code how to change the background color in HTML. My dear student, this is the basic structure of the HTML. When we run this code in this code our background color will be visible as white. And now I want to change the background color in a pink, green, yellow, blue. What kind of code will be used and where this code will be used in this program? My dear student, only and only we have to use busy color. We have to use busy color in the body tag. At the starting, in the starting, friend, my dear student, this is the body. Body tag is start here and it will close here. We use body busy color in the body tag. BG color, BGCOLOR is equal to red. We want to red color in the background. So we have to use BG color is equal to and double quote. Inside the double quote we have to write the color name. And when will we run this HTML code, it will be gives you red color of the background of the page. Now, my dear student, we have to change the text color. By default, the color will be this Devendra Kumar will display in the back color, in the black color. By default, HTML gives you Devendra in a black color. And now we want to change the color in red, in green, yellow. So how we will change this color? So let's if you want to change the text color, we have to write the text is equal to in the body tag we have to write only text is equal to text. Text is equal to suppose text is equal to blue, BLUE, blue. And when we run this code, it will gives you text color in the blue color. And now we have to we want to change the style of the text, like underline, italic, underline, italic, bold. So what we have to use and what kind of code we have to use. My dear student, if we want to use this Devendra Kumar in a bold color, we have to write only and only B. B for bold. And after that, the bold tag will close. When we run this code, this Devendra will be appear in the bold text. And if we want to give italic text, we have to simply type I tag, italic tag. Italic tag will write in this format, italic. When you run this code, this text will appear in the italic format. If you want to use underline at the bottom of the text, the underline tag we have to use. The underline tag we have to use in this format, capital U. My dear student, many times a student ask this is HTML. This HTML is case sensitive or not. So I want to tell you one thing very clearly. HTML is not case sensitive. You can type in capital letter, you can type in small letter as your wish. This is not case sensitive. Okay, my dear student, if we want to insert any image in the HTML page, so we have to use image code. Image code is used in this format like img src is equal to image name, image image name dot png. The tag will close, angular tag will close at the end of the line. Student, let focus on this line. img means image, src means source is equal to image name, whatever the name we have to, whatever the name is mentioned of your image, and after that dot png, dot jpg, whatever the type, the format of the image will written here. When you will run this code, the image will appear in the browser. In HTML, there are two types of list are used. Likewise, listed, unlisted. Listed means where numbers are used, any kind of sequence is used. Likewise, A, B, C, D, like this. Suppose 4 friends name, जैसे Ram, Syam, Mohan, Sohan. In unlisted, only bullets are used. Only bullets like this: Ram, Syam, Mohan, Sohan. So you are getting the difference between listed and unlisted. In listed, A, B, C, D are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, are any Roman numbers like this, like this, like this are used. And unlisted, only bullets are used. Bullets are used in this format like circle, this type, like whole circle, like rectangular bullet, like this, So this type of coding, how to be used in the HTML. So let's start by listed. For listed for programming a listed programming, we have to start with OL, matlab ordered list. OL means ordered list, and this ordered list will close at the end of the list. Inside the ordered list, we have to use li tag. Li matlab listed tag. ठीक है? Ram, li, Syam, li, Mohan, li, Sohan, li. When we run this code, the output will appear in this format. Like 1 is Ram, 2 is Syam, third one and fourth one is Sohan. This code will give this kind of output. When we use UL mean unordered list. UL will start here and the same tag will close at the end of the list. UL. When we type this code in this format in the UL tag, by using UL tag unordered list, then the same name will be appear in this format, like this bullet will use at the starting of the name. So this is unordered. This is unordered list. And before this, whatever I have to teach you, this that was listed, where number 1, 2, 3, 4 will appear. And now we will discuss about paragraph tag and BR tag. This one is paragraph tag and this one is BR tag. My dear student, the basic difference is paragraph tag is a container tag and BR tag is a open tag. Container tag means when we write any paragraph, we have to start paragraph tag like this. Paragraph tag like this, and here you will write any paragraph whatever you have to write, and at the end of the paragraph you have to close paragraph like this. But for the BR tag always used where we have to break the line. When we use BR tag, suppose that we are using BR tag here, the line will break and the line will show at this format. So BR tag is used always where we have to break the line. In HTML we use a table tag. Table tag is used for creating a table like Excel. So we have to use table tag in this way, like body and table, 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 and after this we use TR and TD tag. TR and TD. TD will create a cell and TR create a row. TD here suppose that roll number, and TD will close. Here TD means name. TD again we will use TD tag, name, address. TD will close. Here again TD will start like mobile number. Okay, after that this TR will close. This TR will close at the end of the cell. TR, this one. This table will close at the end of the table, and after that your body, will close. BODY, body will close. When we run this code, you will get a table in a row.